Hello everyone. Today we will create different designs in Python. First step is to pick the import turtle block from the import section. The next will be the turtle block. The next block will be the screen block. Now we add in the screen background color block. Set the background color to white. Add in the turtle speed block. Add in a function block from the function section. Define a function named circle. Add in a for loop from the loop section inside the function block. Enter the number in the for loop. Now we add in the turtle circle block from the turtle section and enter the radius. We will add in a forward block next. Toggle the forward block to left and edit the angle in it. Add in a function block from the statements section. Edit and enter the function circle in it. Perform a final check and if correct, run the code. The desired design starts forming slowly. Similarly, you can create different designs, patterns, and shapes in Python.